256 meditation on pride. We must distinguish between pride and self-confidence. Self-confidence is necessary. It is what enables us in certain situations not to lose courage and to think with some justification, I am capable of succeeding. Self-confidence is quite different from excessive self-assurance based on a false appreciation of our capacities or circumstances. If you feel able to accomplish a task that other people cannot manage, then you cannot be called proud as long as your assessment is well-founded. It is as if someone tall came across a group of short people who wanted to get something too high for them to reach and said to them, "Don't exert yourselves, I can do it." This would simply mean that he was more qualified than the others to carry out a particular task, but not that he is superior to them or that he wants to crush them. Meditation on pride.